So with this market, you have to know to think fast. You have to know to move fast. I was up about $1,300 in this trade, and just while just making tea, market just dipped. It's actually 4:55 a.m. now. If we actually maintain here some bullish candle, we can actually look for the market to continue going up. But as it is right now, it's just looking at this and where I'm at right now. I'm just gonna be extremely cautious, especially because of this big dip. You know, I was up, as I tell you, $1,300 entered from this area, been consolidating all evening. I was expecting the market to go back, fill this gap up here, but it just didn't, you know. And I know forming some bullish candle that will look like we wanna rise. Right, proper, right? You know, doing your stuff proper, so this will burn you, right? So you gotta be careful because look at this. I'm looking at my phone right now, and I'm looking at the size of just this move compared to before, and it's like 400 points. Like the points get big, so just extremely careful, man. But probably we'll get some buys on it to go back up. You never know. Probably God blesses us with some buys to go back up. Market just probably there's no news, there's no nothing. It's just market just want to move back. Well, I'm not in anything right now, just monitoring. Yeah, so this is kind of crazy still, but don't know the vibe. Forming some bearish, some bullish candle, some bullish pattern right now. Potentially we can get some. But let's just see, man. It look like we're definitely gonna go up. So this is the protein tea, protein pack. Right now, go work out, and then if God provides the opportunity, well, we would have, you know, taken the opportunity. But if not, we just chilling. It's a weird ass move, bro. All the way up here to buy all the profits, and then now bouncing. But what it's trying to do actually is it's trying to form some. Yeah, but just be patient, bro. That's all you gotta do. Not every setup is gonna be peak setup, but you know, just be patient, manage your risk. You know, stick to your guns, and it should be good. All right, so another day, I gotta track the weight. All right, so we're at 179.2 pound, which. Yeah, sir. What's the think of the next one for it? Alright, this. Huh? way now. Just got like some multivitamin. Yeah man, could have been a good day so far. I got some workout in. I felt a little low energy. I didn't wake up. Well, I woke up early here from like 4. Blood chart breakdown for you guys. And then I left the protein, the vitamins. Well, not the vitamins, the electrolyte water. No, just having that. We still have a little to go. God is the greatest, man. So be sure to follow, like, share, subscribe, and join the free Discord group. I'm not charging you nothing. I'm making money, and I'm sharing that money with you daily by showing you guys these analysis and these opportunities. God is the greatest. So we're at the toll booth right now. Completely understand why most newbie traders, most beginner traders fail. I completely understand this. I've never felt this way for the last decade. I'm so annoyed. I'm very annoyed. Like yesterday or last night, I'm up $1,500 on the small account that I'm building for you guys. And then it's like just went to make some tea from about this point here. Yeah, I think I was up from about this area. I'm up $1,500 on this trade. Market went to make some tea, and I'm making some tea because I got up from 4. All the work that I put in yesterday gone back to the market, and the market was moving nicely upwards. It was moving clean. It was everything was cool. It was making higher highs. All of that. It's a good thing I had my stop loss in profit, but then it wasn't even. I didn't even move it up too much. I just put it in profit at entry. Went to bed. Wake up, and I saw, oh shoot, we're moving good. We're clean. I'm not gonna place no trade today because I'm already in a trade. Market just went all the way down. Look, all the way down. No profit. So I completely understand your guys' struggles. I completely understand pain that you guys go through trading, especially small accounts. But rest assured, I'm going to show you how to build it tick by tick. Still, the goal is to live to trade another day. And even if you took a loss, you can actually make that back. You can do so much great things. Now, I'm currently in some sells right now. On this trade, on this pair, I got the sells around this area, and the market is, I'm $162 in profit right now, right? See if I can show you this. So I'm at that sell right now. It's very annoying though. It's really annoying. So got this sell because the market wants to really ideally go down. There's a lot of pressure on the dollar, so the market is actually moving towards safe haven. There's a lot of conflict in the world right now, market moving towards safe haven. It's just that we made this low high right here, or let me show you. But the most painful thing you can do, man, is trade a small account. I promise you this. So for those that are trading small accounts, you can do it, but it's just going to take some type of work. If you can do a bigger account, you do it. All right, so now we made this point here. So potentially we can scale all the way down to about 206 back, right, based on all that's going on. But let's not be so jumpy for that as yet. Let's just analyze tick by tick. So I made this low high point right now. I can't even find my toolbar. Oh yeah. Oh shoot, I just learned something. I was always wonder where my toolbar is. So this is a low high right here. So I made this low high. But this shit is a 9 LH, right? So this is a low high. Down. So low high, so downtrend. So we're in this downtrend right now. We made this gap here, where this bottom here that we broke, and then we formed some new bottoms here. Made this low high, and we're still within this low high, because what we're trying to do is, although it look like it want to go up, really and truly we're below these lows. We've already made lower low. So made that low high. So we're gonna make this lower low. New low, right? So I made this new low here. So this is what we did. So what we're doing right now is that, okay, is it that it's going to maintain inside of this area to continue going down? If I'm ever looking to buy, the buy would have had to be if the market break above this zone and actually in there clearly. Other than that, I'm not looking to buy. Now, going down to the lower time frame, you can see that this entire area right now, consolidation area, that's what this entire area is. Just consolidating. So we have the top, all the tops are the same top, consolidating, same bottom. So what the market more than likely will do now, since that's the case, right, is, let me draw it out for you. So since we're in something like that, so the market has two options. Either the market's gonna break below from where it's at right now, or option 2, so break below, which is breakout below this zone, which is this bottom part, break past 210.4. The market gonna jump above these highs that I was mentioning to you here, which is about 211.051. Says is either it's gonna jump above or it's gonna break below. But right now it looks like it wanna break below. It still wanna go down. It looks like it want to go down, but it's just being annoying. And it's just annoying. It's just an annoying situation. I don't recommend feeling this way. I would not want you guys to feel this way, but it's a part of the process, bro. It's a part of the process. This is what made it great. This is what made me great, because I've been through a lot of this when I was coming up. But this is what makes you great. You're going to be great. You're going to see some tremendous profits. You're going to see tremendous levels of abundance as long as you just keep at it, okay? You just gotta keep at it. So we're here right now. This is the zone up here, top of the zone. Let me look at US 30. I'm gonna have to clear the US 30 chart right now. I'm gonna reanalyze this now. Cool. So this area here, this is the base of the body, but I like to go inside of it. So like about midway. So let me lock it. And we got the top of the range. Let me lock it. By the way, guys, join the free Discord community. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Ask me questions if you're going through psychology issues. Whatever issues you're going through with your trading, just ask me, and I'm here to guide you. And you guys see me building this in real time. So these two major points are out of the way, but the main point that we're focusing on here, oh shoot, don't need that. The main points that we're focusing on here is, I'm going to go down to the lower. This is going to be some nice sell potential if the market just maintains, you know. And remember, US 30 does what GJ does. So let me just break this down. This area here, as you can see, market made, low high, go down. Remember, shit can change. Trump talks, things change. So these analyses are not set in stone. So low high is down. We have this low that the market hit before, which this is just a minor zone that I'm gonna still be looking to potentially target. So I put a minor zone like that there. But overall, low high, top rejection, another low high right here, another low high right there. And then you can see the break below here, retest here, to push down. So we can potentially go back to completing this area, or all the way down to here, or the market can just be shit, complete shit, and decide, okay, I'm just gonna flip up, I don't care, which it happens. News causes those type of flip ups. So at moment, we're in this big consolidation range, and I am just monitoring it. That's all I'm doing. So this is what I'm actually looking at. I'm gonna post these analysis inside of Learn and Earn, which is the Discord. More downside pressure. US 30 analysis just sent. GJ analysis just sent also. Why did you open new chart, boy? Market just slow right now. It's the end of the day still. So potential further downward move on this, from this range here to down. Okay. We're just consolidating, bro. So we done made a low high already, you know. This was they call it, I should draw this like this. This was a situation like that. It's like a wedge situation. Top, double top. And then now it just bottom out to go down. And then old school, if you want to go old school on this, you can go the entire size of this, base to the body, where next it will go, more than likely somewhere down here. So the profit is going to be worth the stress, but to be honest, I don't think it's worth the stress. And this is why I also did this to here, or let me put it to here. Take my profit short than to get hurt. You realize it lines up exactly with this. Cool. So these are the next set of moves I'm actually looking for. So this is it. So let's just see. It's annoying, but let's see. I don't know. So much global economic tension or geopolitical tension happening right now. So this is why I say yen getting so much strength. And there's also a lot of talks in the market about the dollar losing strength. And if the dollar loses strength, stocks will definitely continue to go down, which this is what we're seeing. So it's 4 a.m. today. Yeah, man, guys. So just don't feel no way if the market keeps playing around with you. You know, you learn, you grow, you improve, and you just take it as day by day, a step at a time. A matter of fact, also gold keeps going up, and because gold is going up in price, this gives further reason why this US 30 will continue to go down and GJ will continue to go down also. But anything is possible in the market. Stay tuned. Follow at Pajama Millionaire on every platform. Life after winning. Market closed below this level here. Had a little pause in the market. Now market has reopened. And then let's see if it actually goes and breaks that. I'm analyzing from a higher time frame perspective. This was a nice move to catch as well too. I caught the buys going up. By the time that this sold, I didn't catch it. It was on some tariff stuff. Market just slid. But join the free Discord community. Remember guys, when you join the Discord community, you need to fill form. So you need to click didn't fill form. If you click the didn't fill form, you're gonna click welcome. Once you click welcome, you're gonna see a video, you're gonna see the form, open the form, and then once you fill out the details, you're gonna get access to all of these groups automatically. Plus, we also have a support ticket section where if you have issues and stuff like that, you can raise tickets inside the group. It's a full-on community for you guys to benefit from. But you gotta just be a part of the community. It's completely free, of course, no charge to you. You get economic news get sent to you on a day-to-day basis. I'm actually adding something now where it explains the news to you. Also, we post fitness progress inside the group as well too. And people are posting like trading results, all of that, and a bunch of different stuff. And I'm posting analysis. People are just interacting inside the community. There's no opportunity without risk in the market. Every trade carries uncertainty and understanding. This is what separates the disciplined traders from the emotional ones. The key is to avoid risk, is to not avoid risk, but manage it wisely. Trade smart, protect your capital, and stay consistent. Long-term growth comes from small risk controls, not reckless confidence. So sometimes we're confident we're the man, we're the best trader in the world, all that. But none of that is important, when you come to the back and then we're dropping. We're falling, boy! Yeah, so you just gotta know. We're falling nicely still. So we're up $600 in profits right now. I felt a little down, but we never get depressed. If you saw a tear, it wasn't crying. God is the greatest.